Sometimes we get the thought of doing something which is different from what we learned all this while, something which is different from our background education. And then we look around, we see people who choose a career that is different from their educational background. And after knowing more about their journey, we tend to witness their decisions which acted as a milestone in their career. It genuinely takes immense courage to try out something new, especially when it comes to the choice of career. So if you are someone with the thought switching your career, especially from non-tech to tech, this video is for you. Let's find out how to make a successful transition from non-tech to a technical career with me, Freddy Kumar. There's no harm in using the trial and error method while determining your next domain in career. In fact, this will help you to explore what you don't want, and this will head straight to your likings. The first question which comes in the mind of majority coming from non-IT background is whether the IT industry is welcoming for non-tech graduates or not. Well, let me make it very clear that skill is the primary objective of any industry rather than your educational background. When you're sure about making this transition in your career, make sure that you do a lot of research related to the specific domain or say profile you want to go for. Your preparation should be in line according to that. It is obvious that a lot of your time will go in this research, but all this time will mold your thoughts for a better tomorrow. This would play a very important role in defining your future goals. The more you get to know about the industry, the more niche profile you land at, the better would be your chances to excel in that. Once you are done with all your research, now it's time to begin the phase of learning. You should now get enrolled yourself with a professional coaching. A professional course will not only save your time in picking up new skills early, but will also give you adequate placement support to land your dream job in least amount of time. Stick to the prescribed curriculum and master it rather than trying to learn multiple things at one time. But this does not mean that you will limit yourself to the defined syllabus. Instead, practice as much as you can with whatever you have learned in all this while. This will help in boosting your confidence and gaining experience to tackle problems and earn you a certification as well. Now it's time to stay connected with this new field. Now you must be thinking, what's the point of being in touch with this thing throughout my whole day? See, we all know that the more we think about something, our inclination starts falling towards it automatically. It becomes very important that you start looking at things from the perspective of IT. This would not only make things more familiar, but would also help in establishing a better understanding of the concepts being used in the industry. And gradually you'll see your interest getting developed. Moreover, it would also help you in clearing the dilemma you had from the very beginning. No matter if it is IT or any other industry, developing and mastering the skills play a crucial role. Then comes the part of introspection. Be prepared in advance that there will be a lot of mistakes. This is indeed something new. Mistakes are a part of journey. A person can never learn without making the mistakes. There will be times when you will not feel motivated enough to continue working on this new path. And it might also happen that you start losing interest too. In such situations, give yourself small breaks and build on some non-technical skills, those which can complement your technical career in future. The most important of all is the projects you do to showcase what you have learned play a very important role. Say you are preparing to become a software engineer. So you should do related projects where your proficiency of working with various languages like C, C++, Java, JavaScript, etc. could be seen. The more competitive and efficient your project is, the more are the chances of the recruiters liking your candidature, as this gives the recruiter a sense of faith and confidence in that candidate, that this person will be able to ace the assigned tasks and will prove to be an asset for the organization. This was our take on making a successful transition from non-tech to tech. Drop us your stories of making the switch in the comment section below. We would love to hear it from you all. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel for latest job and interview related content from our side. Thank you and bye-bye.